who I am. It's a new song I wrote for Ted Byfield. A new page, a new day. It's been a while since I've seen you smile. I look at my mess of files. The creator looks down at us. Ted Byfield in his bosom. I look for my way, far from a crowd. So long ago, young boy I was. The snowshoes await the coming season. New young boys bust to nowhere. Hey, compass in his hand, compass in his hand. Ted Byfield stands. Onward, men, the canoes await us. 95 miles over those mountains. The fat boy I was, the pot pack I carried, boat encampment now flooded. The Athabasca Pass so high, and we cried. Reaching the summit, we stood where David Thompson walked this earth. We stood in awe of what we've truly done. The teacher was so pleased. Hey, hardtack and jam were the rewards that day. We ran down from that summit, through Whirlpool River and Jasper bound. Yeah, we were young boys then. Ted Byfield said, onward, men. Those were the days of St. John's, with Ted Byfield and Keith Bennett so strong. Two servants of God and Jesus. Two servants of God and Jesus. Fishermen of men. Fishermen of our women. Philippa, I think of you. So long ago, your beauty. I was a young boy then. Today, we are much older. We met those canoes days later. A bowsman I was then. We went all the way to white cords. That gooseneck wrapped behind us. Now young boys ready for to be men. St. John's bound, then we were ready for love, peace, and grace. Ted Byfield taught us so much then. And onward, men, Christian soldiers. Yeah, in these days of war, we need more men like Ted and St. John's School to keep our breath alive each day God gives us today.